Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is unbagging the November and December Ipsy subscription bags. The ones that I pay for is, I believe, the $25 one where you get like 5 to 6 products. If I'm wrong, I'll put the correct one up here on the screen. But let's go ahead and get started. I have November and I have December. Love the bags though. Okay, the very first one, let's see, we got a card for November. I don't know if we did for December. It's always great. Does it give us prices? No prices. No prices. But it says it's valued at $120. This bag is. We'll see. I can try to find the products online and see what they're really worth. The very first thing I pull out is the Yensa Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. Looks just like that, and bronzer and brush duo. Let's see. I think I did pick some of these out personally. Like one maybe. Sunlit bronzing, sunlit glow silk bronzing base. Okay. I don't know why I smelled that, but this is the color. It seems like it's my color. I could probably use that for contour actually. And it is cream. It's a cream contour, which is fine with me. I'm fine with creams. I can do that. And then brush. Let's see what this brush looks like. Yeah, that's a nice contour brush. Silk bronzer brush. Yeah, that's very nice. I like that. I will probably get a lot of use out of that. Definitely like that. I think that was the one thing I picked. And we got us some LaRousse brushes. Yeah, LaRousse Beauté. Let's open this thing up. Okay. I always like face brushes. They're like my faves. We have a contour blending brush, a flat angled brush, a kabuki brush. I always like kabuki brushes too. I don't know why. Contouring and kabuki brushes, those are like my favorite. I don't know why. And this has to be a powder brush. Tapered face brush. Very nice. I'm excited about those. I'll be keeping those. I love those face brushes. Some hair sticking out. Let's see what those are worth. Well, I can't because there ain't no prices. I forgot. Next thing in this palette, in this bag, is the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. Oh, it's very cute. For shimmers and for mattes. I think I can get some use out of that. We're getting down to the bottom. We have a Julep eyeshadow in 101 cream to powder eyeshadow stick. This is the color. It's like a bronzy looking color. And this is what it looks like. I guess that's to blend it out. And then you got this end that has the actual eyeshadow. I'm going to try that out because I love that color. Well, I dropped the top. I'm back in the bag. Put that back in the box so I know that I haven't tried it yet. And the very last thing in this bag is, oh, Violet Voss. A Violet Voss mini eyeshadow palette. I like Violet Voss. Let's see. Yay! Oh, I like these colors. My daughter would love these colors. These are the colors that come in the palette, which are very pretty. Me and my daughter would get a lot of use out of this. It's very lovely. That's one thing I got to declutter. Eyeshadow palettes, especially the minis. I've got too many. That was it in that bag. I'm gonna slide these back in here so I don't get it all. That's trash. I will see if I can find some prices for you guys and put it up there for you. So maybe you can get a thought of what the box was worth. It says $120, but who knows? And here's another little card. Tells you how to use some of the things that are in here, but no pricing, of course. The very first thing, oh, what do you know? Another Shayna B palette. They must be really working with that person. This is the highlight and blush. Those are the colors. Not really my forte, but well, I guess I could use those two. Just that one highlight I probably wouldn't use is the pink one, but my daughter likes pink highlights, so she could probably use that. So that's good. So we got the Miami face palette and the Miami eye palette. That's good. Next thing we have is the Fireside eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty. This is an Ipsy exclusive. Woohoo! Let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah, I could use this. I could do a lot of colors with this, I'm sure. I guess it just depends on the formula of the eyeshadows. We'll have to check that out. Next thing in here is by Complex Culture, the Full Out Brow Gel. Tinted Volumizing Brow Gel. I wonder, well, it's probably going to be clear because the thing is white. Well, let's see. Oh, this is cute packaging. Which, their brushes always are cute too. I've had a few of those in Boxycharm. What color is it? I might be able to get away with that. Maybe. We'll see. Probably. The next thing we have is something else by, is it the same or just looks the same? Overtime Contour and Blush Duo. Yeah, Complex Culture. I thought it looked similar. Ooh, yes, I love the packaging. This packaging is just so pretty. The gray, which my wedding was pink and gray, so imagine that. Oh, I love these colors. Yeah, these are my shades. Definitely. Definitely. I will swatch them for you, but I still got an armful from the Boxycharm video. That's funny. But I love this color, so I know I will get a lot of use out of that. Let's see, anything else in the bag? The final thing in this bag is a eye luster cream eyeshadow from Ciate London. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is very pretty. I think this is one of the things that I picked because you could do like this could be on the inner corner. That would be so pretty. I think that's why I chose that. I really, really like it. So if I can find some of the prices for some of these things, I'll put it on the screen somewhere so y'all can get just a gist of what this bag is worth. I like most of the things in here. I know I have canceled Ipsy several times before because know, sometimes they used to put a lot of samples in here, and I kept getting like having boxes of samples that I never ever used. So, but I do like these bags. I don't know that I'll ever do anything with the bags other than sometimes, like when I sell on my Depop, which will be down in the description, by the way, I will include these bags with some of those things and put like free samples in it, like the little samples we get in these bags. I'll put in there and send it with whatever people buy. But other than that, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And that is it for today. I hope y'all have a great day.